This is where we are on this 68 Impala, y'all. Got the front clip pulled off so we can make it way easier to mount these motor mounts, put this engine in. At the same time, we'll get to clean some shit up. All these little rusty spots. Nothing major. Like I said, just needs to be cleaned up real good. And coated. It took me about 3 hours to get this front end off after, figuring out what would be the best way to do it. Never did one before, so it's the first time attempt, and a success. Y'all can see that in there. Ain't no holes or nothing. Clean all this little shit up. So what I did was I had a couple of tires stacked on top of each other. So once it all was unbolted, it rested on the tires. And then I unstacked the tires, put the blanket down, and just pulled it off and rolled it back onto the tires to keep it from getting, banged up or whatnot. So we'll do some cleanup in here too. But once again, this is a car that's pretty good shape for its age, man. Pretty good shape. I may go ahead and put these fucking walnuts falling off this tree. I may go ahead and put some floor pans in the front. Cause somebody just riveted in some shit. I don't want to get down and get dirty. Y'all can see it. And I don't like that. So maybe order some floor pans, put them in. Yeah, that's where we are. Pretty decent shape. I'm gonna like it a whole lot better once I clean it up and paint everything. It always makes it better. And I guess at some point, whoever owned the car in the past, when they put that big block in here, that 455, I don't know. It don't even make sense. I don't know why they halved this inner wheel well and a half-ass attempted to put it back together. So something else I got to take care of. Put some beads on it, be all right. Clean it up. But yeah, that's where we are, man. This is where we are.